Welcome back to Test Double's intro course on end-to-end testing with Cypress. In the previous video, you added another real-world happy path test, learning about other useful commands in Cypress and why not to share persisted state between tests. In this video, you will learn about the dry principle, learn how duplication can affect tests, and reduce some duplication in the existing YAML test suite. DRY is a common acronym used in software development. It stands for Don't Repeat Yourself. The basic premise behind it is to make code more maintainable by reducing duplicated code and concepts. When you need to make a change to a piece of duplicated code, you have to update that code in all the places it's replicated. That takes more time and can lead to unintended bugs if you miss updating a place. So, developers use various techniques to manage code needed in multiple places with abstractions that reduce duplication and are more maintainable. Whether it's duplicated setup code or redundant tests, duplication poses problems in tests as well, making test code harder to maintain and understand, as well as slowing down test suites. To see what I mean, let's fix one glaring example of duplication in the current YAML test suite. Boot up the back-end server Cypress environment, front-end dev server, and Cypress itself. Also, ensure you're running the tasks.spec.js file in Cypress. Inside the spec file, you have 3 spots where you duplicate the same code to generate a unique task title by appending a timestamp. Let's extract that logic into a reusable function so you don't have to repeat it everywhere. At the top of the test file above describe, add a helper function called uniqueTitle. The function accepts the title as an argument and returns a version of the title with the current timestamp appended. Update the spots where you manually add the timestamp to use this function. And then save the file to make sure the tests still pass. Now, if you ever want to update the core logic of generating a unique title, you'll only need to make that change in one place. Let's recap what you learned in this video. You learned about the dry principle, you learned how duplication affects tests, and you reduced some duplication in the existing YAML test suite by creating a reusable function to generate unique task titles for tests. You are now ready to dry up your own tests, but let's take your knowledge further. In the next video, you will learn how redundant tests can violate the dry principle and slow down test suites. You will discover how to combine tests to reduce duplication and speed up tests.